Go tell them. Go tell them.
Stop covering. We can't tell the whole city that you're out here doing this with your face covered up.
Yeah, it's just gonna be. It's just
I only do that because I got the right to privacy. That's why I cover my face.
Yeah, no, I got you.
When I tell her I'm trying to build a vault in my house, and I just want to know the best place to put a vault.
You got money to build a vault, right?
Yeah.
So you can't ask a manufacturing company.
I would, but I know.
You know, if you're gonna spend that kind of money, right?
Yeah.
They'll send someone out there and do full measurements.
Flowwood, Mississippi, where lunch breaks come before rights. Kinda. A man with a camera walks by a building, face partially covered, doing nothing more than recording in public. But the calls came in, the cops showed up, and suddenly you're making people nervous. Watch how this peaceful audit turns into a rights education and ends with a smile.
It's not. Hey, I'll give you my name. I'll give you my name. Because I really want to know who you is. I'll give you my name.
What's your name?
My friends call me A.
A?
Yeah.
Where you from, A?
I'm from Mississippi.
Huh?
From Mississippi.
Where in Mississippi?
Just around.
Just around?
Yes, sir. He work with you?
Maybe.
Let me ask him who he is. Maybe he'll identify. How you doing? I was just asking for name, badge number. Oh, I got you.
I mean, but here's the thing now. That's my captain that you just talked to.
Yeah.
And you're out here obstructing traffic.
I did. I was talking.
You're standing in the roadway.
I was talking to him.
I understand, but
I didn't obstruct no traffic.
But you're obstructing traffic. You asked a while ago, didn't we have better things to do?
Yes.
Okay, here's the thing. First,
I'm just recording.
whoa. Let me say this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, because now it's to this. You walking around. You got a mask on your face. You got you got your thing over your.
Yeah, because I don't.
No. Listen to me.
Okay.
You're wearing your sunglasses.
Is that illegal?
Here's the thing.
Is anything I'm doing illegal?
It's not that it's illegal, but here's the thing. You're making people uncomfortable. And you ask, don't we have better things to do? But at the end of the day, when we have to come respond because of you doing this, it doesn't matter. These people don't know what you're doing.
Well, it's up to y'all to let them know.
No, it's up to you
to stop doing it. So you don't want me to exercise my rights?
No, it's not that I don't want
that's
you to
exercise my rights. That's what it sounds like you're telling me.
Face up and make it and walk.
No, I had it like this. I only did this when y'all pulled. Listen.
Around.
You know my face.
When they call it in and say that you got your face covered up.
Listen, my face wasn't covered up when y'all first met me. Was it?
I'm telling you, we just got a call.
I understand, but I haven't did anything wrong.
Matter.
Okay.
When we get a call that you got your face covered up, and you're making people uncomfortable, and you're making them nervous about it.
So you said that was the captain?
Yes.
Oh, okay. That's my boy right there.
No. I'm talking to you right now.
Am I detained?
So.
Am I being detained? Okay. That's my boy right there. That's my boy. Why you ain't come check this out?
Freaking everybody out.
Just by doing this?
I know.
Go tell them.
Stop covering. We can't tell the whole city that you're out here doing this with your face covered up.
Yeah, it's just gonna be. It's just
I only do that because I got the right to privacy. That's why I cover my face.
Yeah, no, I got you. But yeah, they're just gonna.
Then he said I'm blocking traffic. Look at. He told me I came out to talk to y'all captain to the street. He was sitting on the side. He said I'm obstructing traffic.
Yeah.
I just don't understand. Oh, I got you too close. But yeah, y'all go just let them know I'm exercising my rights.
No, I know, and everybody's gonna call because not everybody out here knows that you can film.
That's what I'm doing. It's an educational video.
But
this is an educational video.
Yeah, I mean, it's just gonna be the same thing all day long.
Yeah. Listen. This is the last one. I had to shoot me. I went to the post office. They did great.
Okay. I got you.
You know what I'm saying? But this is the last one. I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, they're probably a lot more educated at.
Yes.
But a lot of these other places, they don't know.
That's what these videos about. Just y'all going there and say he ain't doing nothing wrong.
Yeah. So
he ain't doing. I know the mask. The mask is.
Yeah. But this is the last one today. Here. I've been wearing a mask since 2020. Okay. Yeah.
You feel me?
No, they're still wearing them N95.
Yeah, I've been wearing a mask since 2020.
Yeah, it's just gonna be.
Yeah, I understand.
The general population.
Hey y'all, I'm leaving after this. Okay, I'm leaving. I see they don't like rights right here. Not the public. I'm glad the officers understand.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't mean no harm. You know I don't mean no harm.
I know you don't mean no harm.
I don't mean no harm at all. That's why I stayed right where everybody could see me.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So when y'all pull up, y'all see, oh, they got him. He got somebody. You know what I'm saying?
The public calls if anybody's just walking down the street with a hoodie.
That's
on.
crazy.
So
that's
just,
you know what I'm saying? That's crazy.
People get mad at us, and it's like, but people call, so we got to go check it out.
Yeah, I understand you. Nah, I understand y'all responding.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? That I expect the response. You know what I'm saying? I thought you was gonna follow me here.
Oh yeah, no.
I thought you were gonna.
No, the concern was over at the bank.
I know.
But once you left, there's no. I mean, I'm not going to like follow you.
Yeah,
around.
I understand that.
I mean, I'm not going to harass you and follow you around. But yeah, when another person calls, yeah, we got to come back over.
You got to come. I understand. Yeah, it makes for a great video for all these police pull up.
Yeah. Well, in Flowood, you're going to get a lot of.
Okay.
Respond.
Well, it sure made for a great video.
Yeah.
That was my boy Jenkins. I mean Lindsay. Lindsay, my bad.
You really having fun, man? Because I'm ready to go. I need to eat lunch.
Y'all, listen. What I tell him?
He said this is the last one today.
This is. Cause guess. I
just want to go eat lunch.
I just want to make sure the public understand our rights. I don't mean no harm. No nefarious intent.
I'm gonna tell you right now, wearing a ski or wearing a mask and doing this in front of anybody,
They gonna call.
And
I be want.
us, man.
Listen. I know y'all. Come on, man. You know these videos.
Yeah.
So I know they're gonna call. They don't understand, but when they call, y'all go in there and make them understand. That's all. That's.
Here's the thing, though.
Oh, here he go.
When
Here
you
he go
walk
with this shit.
around covering your face up like that, you're making people nervous.
I
You
also.
said something about don't we have better things to do, but we get
I
calls.
promise I understand. And I promise I came out with a bunch of chill pills. I swear, I came here with a bunch of chill pills and left them in the damn car.
Well,
because I knew they were gonna be nervous. y'all be good, man. Y'all doing great today.
We just want to eat lunch, though.
Go ahead, y'all doing great. Listen, I'm out of here. This is it. Hey, I go to a town, I shoot 3 videos in town, and I leave.
Okay.
This shit, I did one at the post office. Y'all wouldn't even respond. Y'all
To the point where I'm thinking about going to Walmart and getting a super soaker.
I think that's against the law. But yeah, I'm out. Y'all did great. I promise you. I promise you.
We're gonna call you Blue from now on.
No, I know. I gave him my name. I told the captain. I think I told the captain my name. A.
Like A.
Well, I like
H.
No, it's like AY like 13 E's. You see what I'm saying? But
Is that your YouTube channel?
nah, it's just I ain't got no YouTube. I can't tell you. I can't mess up my investigation now. I can't mess up my.
I would have asked you earlier, but
y'all did great though. Just trust me. Y'all did.
understand what we're saying.
No, listen. I understand. Y'all go see the video.
I'll tell you right now, 99% of these people out here, they're gonna call.
They gonna call just cause I'm black. I understand. I made a joke. That was just a joke. It was just a joke. I promise.
You had the mask over your face and it made her nervous.
Well, at the bank, I ain't had no mask at the bank.
No, I say that.
Oh, okay. Yeah. I understand. I understood that.
Do stuff like because it makes people freak out because a lot of stuff's going on.
I understand, but I'm just trying to let everybody know our rights. These are educational videos.
And I think the more videos get out like that, the more general public.
The boat, exactly. I appreciate y'all though. Y'all really did good. I promise. I keep saying y'all did a good job. Y'all don't know what I go through doing this. Go ahead. Listen. Hey, I'm gonna be looking. I hope y'all don't follow me around. I'm gone. Okay. I appreciate y'all. All right. Y'all be good. Let's watch the driver honor again. Let's watch the driver honor. Let's watch the driver honor.
No ID, no orders, no violations. Just a public sidewalk, a camera, and a bunch of citizens learning the law in real time. Flowood PD did their job, answered the call, kept it respectful, and walked away without escalating. Big salute to the man behind the lens, and a shout out to the folks who now know a little more about the First Amendment than they did this morning. Rights don't take a lunch break. Flowood, Mississippi. A citizen with a camera, that's it. No crime, no threat, just a man recording in public. But apparently, that's enough to make people nervous. Watch as officers roll up, try to spin the situation, and end up getting educated with patience, humor, and the Constitution. Respect isn't optional when the First Amendment is involved.
See, we got a woman right there. She's like she want to come talk. Let's see. If she want to come talk. What you do? Hey, how you doing? She won't come talk, y'all. How you doing it? How you doing today? All right.
Do you mind if I ask you what you're feeling?
I'm just shooting a video.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that's it.
I'm just curious.
Oh, yeah, just shooting a video.
Okay.
Y'all got some suckers in there?
No, we're out.
Ah, bottled water? Huh? Beans? Oh, okay.
That's it.
You the manager here?
She's inside.
She's in the pink.
Yeah.
Why she didn't come out and say hey? Hey, listen. I said, can you ask? Okay. I really want to ask somebody who know about these things. But I'm trying to build a vault in my house, and I want to know the best place to put it. You have to tell me where y'all vault located? You can't tell me that. At least can I get the floor plans? Huh? Okay then. All right, well, I'm not going to be out here long, and I'm not going to come on the property. Police on the scene. Yeah, keep going, he's traffic. Zoomed in, give y'all a better shot. Oh, we see it. This right there. But they've been parked there since I walked up. I can't come on the property. I can't come on the property. Huh? I just want to feel from this public spot right here. You come talk to me though, man. I don't bite. I don't bite. I don't bite. I promise you I don't bite. Just shooting the video. Anything I can see. I'm doing a little. I'm doing a little investigation.
Okay.
That's it. As much as I can tell you, because I don't want to mess up my investigation. And I am building a vault in my house.
Investigation?
I don't want to talk about it. Let's talk about my vault. Because I'm trying to, listen, I'm trying to build this vault, man, and because I got that bread. You know what I'm saying? I got that bread. I might not.
No, like what kind of investigation?
I'm saying, I might not look like it, but I got that bread, though. You see what I'm saying? Just know, I got that bread. So this what so I'm just trying to, I really came, because I know y'all got that thing looking, I know it's in a good spot. So I'm just coming out here to see where's the best place to put a vault.
Oh, I don't know. You have to ask your builder.
Oh, where's y'all vault located?
I can't tell you that.
You can't tell. How about I asked her about the floor plan? Maybe I can just see your floor plans and then.
I don't have a floor plan.
Y'all making this hard. How am I gonna build this thing without y'all? Come on, I need help. Y'all come to the professionals. I come to the professionals, but I'm not coming on or inside your property. Okay, I'm not gonna do that. But if you can go in there and like ask them, who painted this place? Yeah. Nice to meet y'all though. Well, we don't know what's gonna happen, but you know, we're gonna stay out here because I'm enjoying this. Maybe they'll come out and talk again. I had them laughing and giggling. You know, that's what I do best. I keep them laughing and giggling, man. I keep them laughing and giggling. And I think I'm gonna stop acting so dumb for y'all since y'all want to play. I be trying to do this like the regular citizen, man. Everybody don't know what auditors know. Can their rights still be respected though, man? That's what I'm about to see, man. I know that stuff. I know what I can and can't do. We all know that. Okay, we got them coming up with cherries and berries. Cherries and berries, baby. Watch this, y'all. Watch them come around the corner. Cherries and berries, y'all. Cherries and berries. How we gonna play this? Oh no, he cut his lights off. Tell me. 2 on. We're gonna play this. I spoke to him. Y'all want to do the salad? Y'all want to do the salad? I can't do the salad. Y'all know I'm too stupid for that. Just keep an eye on this officer. Can't see him. He hide. He won't let me see him. There you go. He not bothering me though. Let's come on this side. See if we can see him. Oh, got another one. I ain't speaking. Hey, y'all, why y'all don't speak? Well. Let's see. They might not say a word to me, and we're gonna commend them if they do. I'm shooting the deuces at everyone on their path. Y'all saw they never spoke to me, so I don't think they're gonna be on some bullshit. But we gonna see. Got 3 cars. Go. Need another cigarette for this one. Oh, my bad.
Hey, man.
How you doing?
Good. What are you doing?
Oh, nothing. Just shooting a video.
Shooting a video?
Yes, sir.
What video you shooting?
Just a video.
Okay.
How you doing?
Know when you walked in there asking for the...
No, I never walked in there.
Well, whoever you talked to said
They
you
walked
asked them for the... You asked them for like...
No, I tried to tell them I'm trying to build a vault in my house because I got that bread, right? You know what I'm saying? I got that bread.
Okay, so why do you need to talk to ladies? Why not just talk
No,
to
they came out to talk to me. So I asked them, since they are in there with a vault, where's the best place to put a vault in my house?
You don't think that would make them nervous?
Nervous?
Yeah.
I didn't think it was going to make them nervous, but how old am I?
Yeah.
I don't want to say.
Oh, you don't want to say?
No.
Okay,
But
you're an adult though, right?
Pretty sure I am. You see out there?
You don't think asking a bunch of ladies in a bank wouldn't make them nervous? And don't forget to film.
Yeah, I'm messing up.
I'm filming too. You know?
Yeah, I'm messing up my damn video.
Yeah, so you don't think asking them about a vault wouldn't make them ladies nervous? So if your wife worked here...
No, I explained why I asked. I explained to her why I asked about the vault.
It doesn't matter about explaining. It's like, you don't think that if your wife worked in there and some guy walked in there asking about their vault...
I didn't walk in there.
But it don't matter. You asked them out here, right?
I didn't never come out. I've been out here on the street.
Okay, so that's right. She came out to you.
Yes. I never came.
But you asking her that, you don't think that would make her nervous?
Not really, not when I tell her I'm trying to build a vault in my house, and I just want to know the best place to put a vault.
You got money to build a vault, right?
Yeah.
So you can't ask a manufacturing company?
I would, but I know.
So if you're going to spend that kind of money, right?
Yeah.
They'll send someone out there and do full measurements. Why you got to ask ladies at a bank?
Because I want to tell my builders how I want it.
Okay, so that's kind of inappropriate.
Oh, my bad.
Yeah, and it makes you look creepy. I'm just going to tell you right now.
My bad.
Because if that was your wife...
I understand, my bad.
I mean, like, say it was my wife. I wouldn't want you doing that.
Let me apologize right now for being creepy and being weird or whatever you call it.
Look, you can show this on YouTube. I know what you're doing. It's cool.
Okay.
But all I ask all the YouTubers is if this guy was asking your wife in the bank what was going on, you don't think they would be nervous and scared of you?
If they nervous though, I got a few chill pills in the car. If they just
that's probably the best thing to do is
go get them a couple of chill pills. Did you bring some with you?
Say what?
Did you bring some chill pills with you and give them a couple? Maybe they'll stop being so nervous.
Well, you know, banks get robbed, right?
When the last time this one got robbed?
Hopefully never.
Oh, hey, and I ain't here. Listen, I'm not here for no nefarious reason. Now I understand that. I'm not here for no nefarious reason.
Well, if you understand that, then why'd you do it?
No, I'm not here for no. I'm telling you, I'm trying to build a bank in my house. I mean, a vault.
Why don't you talk to someone other than people who don't build vaults?
I guess I'll do that next time. I'm gonna have to do it next time.
They just make.
It's a lot of y'all now. Can I get y'all name and badge numbers?
Jason Lindsay 251.
You sir?
Officer Whittington.
Officer Whittington, badge number?
458.
You sir?
Westbrooks 225. Associated 252.
How y'all doing today? Okay. I ain't mean to interrupt.
I mean, I could be great, but we're dealing with you right now.
You know, I ain't. Did you tell him he ain't doing nothing wrong? He just standing out there recording.
Well, yeah, but you still made him nervous.
I actually I got some chill pills. I forgot to bring them though.
See, here's what we're going to do.
Okay.
Since you're exercising your First Amendment right to film, we're also going to exercise ours, so we're going to watch you.
Okay.
Make sure you're not inhibiting traffic.
Okay, no problem.
Once we clear out, please don't walk in the road and inhibit traffic.
No problem. Well, do you want me to stand here?
No, I want you to stand right there.
Okay.
I don't want you on their property.
I told him.
You're not trespassing.
Yeah.
That's their choice.
Yeah, I told him I didn't want to come on there. Yeah. I literally explained to her I would never come on their property. Because she was like, come here so they could talk. I was like, y'all got to come out here and talk to me.
And since you've engaged so much interest, I'm going to leave an officer to watch you.
Okay.
So make sure you drive within the limits of the law.
I will. Right. So y'all finna do some kind of investigation on me or something?
No, we're just going to watch you just like you can watch him.
Okay, no problem.
Associate, can you watch him until he...
Can we just chill together?
Yeah.
Okay, how long you been on the force, Officer Associate?
I'm going to move my truck right over here out of the
Okay,
roadway.
let me go talk to him real quick. Hey! Can I get your name and badge number?
Yeah. Badge number 412, Officer White.
How you doing, Officer White? Nice to meet you. Oh, well, we'll flip up. You don't want to touch me? It's okay, no? It's all right. It's really not the driver's saying they respecting my rights. Hey, I want to talk to your sergeant. That is the sergeant, right? Okay. I know, I'm an extra sergeant. Don't worry. Sergeant, oh, dang. I was looking for the sergeant, my bad. Okay. Y'all did a good job, though. I did do a good job. Have a good one. One gone. Talking about something. I wish I could see. I want to talk to the sergeant. You know, as soon as I come over there, they're gonna break up. They're gonna break the. Y'all know what I'm saying. They gonna stop talking. Put it like that. Well, we're gonna stick around for the driver's shame though. Well, not driver's shame. I ain't gonna do that. We're not saying that. It's gonna seem to be a driver honor. They didn't really harass me. They came out and had a respectful conversation. Explained me their side. Explained that. And hey, I can't ask for more. I can't ask for more, but we're going to test them one more time. Good. Sarge. I just happen to have one more question for you.
Yeah.
Do you think it's a good way to spend taxpayers' dollars by watching a man that haven't committed a crime?
Well, we don't know if you've committed one yet or not.
Y'all do know I haven't committed a crime. Y'all do know that.
I said you haven't.
Okay, so I'm saying, why would you waste?
But it's still being awkward and kind of strange.
Why would you waste taxpayer dollars to watch a man that haven't committed a crime? Is what I'm asking. To watch a man that haven't committed a crime, why would you waste taxpayer? He could be doing something else.
Oh yeah, he's actually watching this whole area right now.
Oh, okay.
See all these cars?
I understand.
You know, every city has auto burglars.
Man, trust me, I know. Good one. I like it. A good one.
And you don't think your behavior's a little odd?
It might be a little odd. It might.
There you go. How do I?
But I'm saying.
How do I know you're? Hey, listen. How do I know you're not a mental patient?
So y'all watch every mental patient? Just y'all?
Absolutely. If they're walking around in the streets, like
but
why
I'm saying if they, I ain't wandering in the streets.
Not yet, but you might be. You're still standing in the street.
Come on, Lindsay. I like how you.
So right now, like here's the thing. I don't know you. You don't know me.
Yeah.
You're displaying and actually doing odd behavior because nobody stands at banks and films. You can put this on YouTube. So I have an officer watching you to make sure you don't do something weird.
Like that's what? It's weird. It's weird a crime.
No, but
so you gonna watch?
When you've dealt with enough stuff that we have, your character and behavior is different than everybody else. Yeah, we're gonna watch you and make sure you're not a threat later. That's all. And guess what? Just like you can film me, yeah. Guess what? He can watch you, and he can also watch these other cars to make sure no auto burglary.
I was just asking.
Yeah, you can ask all you
I just really, cause
look, we do have other jobs to do, right? We have other calls.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna end this.
Okay.
Are you safe? Are you good?
Yeah, I'm perfect.
Great.
Yes, and y'all did a great job.
Right, look, in the future, since you got all that dough, pay a professional contractor, not a bank teller.
Okay.
Have the guy come to your house, take the measure.
I was trying to save. I got money, but I was trying to save something too.
You're not saving no money, dude. Are you building a safe?
I'm trying to. I want to build a vault.
Build it yourself.
I want to tell them exactly how I want it, and I want it like at the banks.
Dude, if they build bank vaults, they can tell you how they do it.
Okay, well we'll go from. Hey,
do you think those ladies know how to use? Do you think they know construction?
I thought they might give me the number.
Dude, they're bank tellers.
Hey, you did a great job, though. Jay, you did a good job. I promise you did a good job. You know what this is. Okay, good job, though. Appreciate y'all coming out. My boy, here I come. Here I come, my boy. We're gonna have to become buddies, man. We're gonna be out here for a minute. I said we're gonna have to become buddies. We're gonna be out here for a minute.
Yeah, that's fine.
Oh, I was asking how long you say you been on the force?
16 years.
16 years. Oh, okay. So y'all understand the rights of the public.
Yeah, I mean, we do our best not to, violate any rights.
That's all.
Nobody's out here for ill intent.
That's all we ask. And I am not.
I would want the same respect.
I am not out here. Listen, I'm not out here for no ill intent at all. Maybe your sergeant already told y'all that. He already explained what I'm doing. I'm not out here for no ill intent. I'm just exercising rights. That's it.
And that's fine. We've seen plenty of examples.
Okay, good.
I know what y'all are doing.
Yeah, we ain't trying to hurt nobody.
Come across somebody that's...
And I know it's weird, but it's up to y'all to let them know it's weird, but leave the damn boy alone.
Yeah, I mean, a lot of people don't think that you can film and video.
Hey, that's why we do these. That's why we do these. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. To let the public know, plus, and make sure officers uphold their oath. Right. But we do let the public know that somebody could stand outside anywhere in the public and film. This is what these videos about.
Yeah, it's totally fine.
Okay, let me watch them leave because it's part of a video that they like. Yeah. Give me a second. And I'm gonna walk off from you and I'm gonna back up to watch it do like it's gonna look like your truck leaving. Okay. I know how to do it. Okay. I gotta watch him leave. They say, why you ain't never watch him leave? Gotta watch him. But y'all did good though. It's not the driver's shame, it's the driver honor, because y'all really respected my rights and I appreciate that.
No, it's all good.
I do appreciate that. It's taking him too long. Oh, can I get the cab number? I get the cab number?
The case?
Yeah. You can just say it out loud.
They already closed it out in a second. I'll have to pull it.
Okay. We here. But I ain't gonna be here too long at all. There you go, y'all saw it. Driver on.
I got the case number.
What is it?
Case number is 2502-000077.
2502.
Yeah, 25 for the year, 02 for the month. You have 000077.
Thank you.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you. All right, let me see. Let me go look around here, see if the people gone, and then. Yeah, they gone. Yeah. They gone. Okay. Well. Well, I enjoyed talking to you. I'm gone. All right.
You travel around. I know some of the guys like travel.
Around, I go around Mississippi.
Just Mississippi.
Yeah, right now at the moment, Mississippi needs a lot of work.
Yeah, I heard of I think his name is Durbin. I think he's not from Mississippi, but I heard he came over here and visited the agencies around.
Yeah. I'm gonna have to look. We said Durbin. Mm-hmm. Okay, I'm gonna check him out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna check him out. But I'm gonna get out of here. My job here is done, and yours too. All right. All right. Since he's gonna sit there and watch me, we're gonna go down here. I'm gonna give him something to look at. But that's it for this one. Audit everything. Put it together. You got A. It's not AY. All them E's. We ain't doing that no more. We doing A-E. You just gotta put it together. It's A. Out of everything. And we out, baby.
This wasn't about crime. It wasn't about safety. It was about control. But what they didn't expect. A calm citizen who knows the law better than they do. No ID. No unlawful orders obeyed. Just pure First Amendment strength with a smile. Big respect to the cameraman, and a rare nod to Flowwood PD for backing off without taking it too far. This is what public accountability looks like.